Hello guys, in this video, I will introduce my new Blender add-on, which can quickly make real sweep surfaces and profiles. There are three modes of real sweep. The first one generation curve, one real curve. The generation curve will sweep along real curve to generate a surface. Select the vertices of curves, and if two curves intersect at the end point, please make sure the active vertex is the intersection of these two curves. Then right-click, Real Sweep. Both generation curve and real curve can be closed loops. You can swap the generation curve and real curve by the option Swap. You can also create profile surface by this tool. If you check the option Shape Evenly, it will make the thickness uniform. You can also twist the surface. By default, while the sweeping, the generation curve will rotate by the tangent of the real curve. But sometimes, it will lead to the result we don't expect. In this case, you can adjust the parallel factor, and when it's set to 1, there won't be any rotation while sweeping. The second mode, one generation curve and two real curves. The generation curve will be guided by two real curves at the same time. In this mode, the generation curve and real curves must be connected. To build the surface, select the vertices of the curves and make sure the active vertex is the intersection of the generation curve and one of the real curve. Then right-click, Real Sweep, manually switch the mode to one gen to real. The third mode, two generation curve and one real curve. It will generate a transition surface between two generation curves, and it's guided by the real curve. The usage is the same as the last mode. Select the curves, activate the intersection, right-click, Real Sweep, set the mode to 2 gen 1 real. Thanks for watching, and hope you like this add-on.